Foreigners think Ukrainian is impossible to pronounce. And honestly, they're kind of right. My name is Zaiets, you're on my YouTube channel, Ivan and Zaiets, and I'm Ukrainian, and today I'm gonna show you the top hardest 5 Ukrainian words for Americans and foreigners to say. We are going from challenging to nightmare and to impossible. Some of these words, even Ukrainians and me also struggle with them. So here's the challenge. Pause the video, try to say each word, then keep watching to see if you got it right. Let's do this. Tier challenging. Alright, let's start with challenging. These are hard but not impossible. And the word number 1 is borscht. Yeah, I know that you have heard this word a million times. Also, I made video about Ukrainian cuisine, haven't watched before. The soup. This Ukraine's most famous dish. But here's the thing. Americans say borscht with a hard T at the end. That's wrong. Like borscht or borscht. The correct pronunciation is borscht. Borscht. See that sh sound? It's soft. It's sh. Not sh, not st, not ch. It's a sound that doesn't really exist in English. So next time you order borscht, try saying it right. Borscht. Tier hard. Well, now we are getting into the hard territory or hard mode. These words have sounds and combination that doesn't exist in English. Good luck, guys. Palianytsia. This is traditional Ukrainian bread. But yeah, I know that during the war this word became something more. It became a test, a way to identify who is Ukrainian and who is not. Because Russians, they can't say this word correctly, ever. Americans usually try Palianytsia. Nope. The correct pronunciation is Palianytsia. Palianytsia. Stress is on the second to last syllable. Palianytsia. The lia is soft. The tsa at the end is also soft. This is a word that breaks people. If you can say this, you're unlocked a Ukrainian superpower. Congratulations. Zhyttia. Here's another tough one. Zhyttia. This is super easy. This means life. Americans say Zhyttia or Zhyttia. Wrong. The correct way, Zhyttia. 3 things make this hard. Number 1, the zh sound. It's like the S in vision, but stronger. Zh. Zh. 2. Second one, the double T. You have to pronounce both. Ta. Ta. Double T. Zhyttia, not Zhyttia. Number 3, the soft ya at the end. Zhyttia. Zhyttia. Life. Real quick, if you're trying to say these words out loud right now, hit that like button. And subscribe. Also, remind you, every 1000 followers means I travel 100 kilometers far from Kiev to show you more of my home country, my real Ukraine. Okay, now we are entering the nightmare territory. Tier nightmare. Buckle up. These next words, most Americans can't even attempt them. Людство. And here is людство. This means humanity. Americans say людство or людство. Wrong. That's wrong. The correct way, людство, not людство. 2 problems here. 1, lu, the soft lu syllable. English doesn't have this sound. Lu, not lu. Lu. Next problem, DSTV, 4 consonants in a row with no vowels. Breakdown. Americans want to add vowels. Duchstvo. Nope. Людство. No extra vowels. Людство. Tier impossible. Alright, final tier. Your loved one, hope so, you will pass it. These 2 words are impossible for most Americans. Even some Ukrainians struggle with this. Let's go. Bjola. This means bee with double E. And it's legendary in Ukraine for being one of the hardest words for kids to learn. What the problem, you would ask me? B, D, Z, H. 3 constants at the start with no vowel in between. Americans and foreigners try bidjola or bujola. Wrong. Correct way, bjola. Bdjola. Bджола. No vowel between B, D, and Ž. You say them together. Bджола. Bджола. Bджоla. And if you can say this word on your first try, you have a superpower. Honorable mentions. So, these were the top 5. But there are a few more Ukrainian words that deserve a mention. Серденько, it means little heart, soft N plus K combination. Dziga, a spinning top, DZ plus soft Y and hard G. Ukrainian is full of sounds that doesn't exist in English. If you want to learn more, let me know in the comments and maybe we would prepare one more video about top 5 words. Well, if you enjoyed this, hit that like and subscribe. Every 1000 subscribers or followers, I travel 100 kilometers far from Kiev to show you more of real Ukraine. I'm Zaiets. See you next time. Побачимось.